Good morning, guys. My name is Orezi, your A&U staff. I'm here to cover the flood report on main campus. As you can see, we're already on main campus. And if you look to your left, the road here from auditorium here till down that has already been covered. There's no way for you to access ICT soft here, even the HCF building, no way. Even the library itself is well blocked with water. Then on my left here, you could also see the flood here, it's very high. Now we'll be heading straight to Binso, but on the way there's a lot of other places to show you. Just watch. I'll start with this pavilion. As you can see, we are at the pavilion. Because it's well flooded. I think so they managed to that play for a year now. Okay, we'll see how that sites to view. So let's go. But on my left, it's the basketball court, and part of it is mostly flooded. When you look forward, you can see the lawn tennis court and the handball court, which is already flooded. There's no way to do anything. Then straight to my right, it's still pathway where cars could pass. It's already blocked, no way to go in. Like the hostel is even totally blocked at this other end from the gate. So if you look forward, you can see everything. And if you look further to your right, you could see the library, which has already been blocked by water, the old and new library. With the view from that car over there, you could see that the place is very deep. I just it. And I think a lot of plants will die, like all this flower that was planted here to make this place beautiful. The flowers over there before. Then now we are on our way to this hostel gate, ascertain.
Yes, some people have been asking if hostel is flooded. So what's the situation of the hostel?
I think the hostel is quite flooded, and if your things are still in the hostel, I don't think they might be safe if you left them in the locker. And I don't even advise you to even come for your things, because before even the flood came up like this, when the basic students were around, when little rain fell, you usually see a lot of snakes. So for you to come now is kind of risky too. Mostly passing down road, then get to here. Okay, as you can see, the water is almost at my knee, but although I'm short, that's why it's like this. And this is the road that linked Faculty of Arts to the generator side where keke normally pass. Although this road is normally down like deep, but you can still see that the water here is very high. Take a look at it yourself.
Okay, so let's check on the hostel. Which hostel is this? Hostel what?
I don't really know.
Okay, let's just peek through the gate and see the level of the floor there. Go.
As you can see, after the 8 months fight, this hostel gate is blocked because there was nobody to take care of it. And although basic students were around, but I don't think they still took care of the gates, the grass is here, because the school just like basic exams, they just round up, and you don't expect the grass to be this long though. Still.
Okay, let's see if we can peek through this place and get a glimpse of how inside looks like. Okay, so for those of you who are asking how far with this hostel, we can't access this gate, but of course you can see how the inside looks like. From the view here, it seems the water has not entered the rooms. We'll find a way and pass through the other gate, but you can see how the outside looks like. Water is already present in the hostel, but we can't tell if the hostel are already flooded. So we'll pass around and see how far. So now let's go to Binsop and see how Binsop looks like. For those of you who are in Binsop, we are going to give you a video of how Binsop looks like today. So you guys should anticipate. Oh, should I forget this? This man nets don't catch fish. I think we saw about 4 or 5 fishes in this net. Oh, but enough pepper soup be this, so it's alright. We are now heading to I think Binsop. Yeah, this is Binsop Road. We are very close to Binsop now. But there's no sign of flood in this area. No sign of flood in what was it called? Sick Bay. There's no sign of flood in Sick Bay. Okay, for those of you who promised that we are going to pass this other gate to access the hostel, you can see that the hostel gate is also locked. I don't think if the porter is there, but the hostel gate is locked. So there's no way we could have accessed the hostel, but I think there's still small water there. Alright, let's head to Binsop. Just see if there's anybody there, great, and check if ask if the porter is there. Hey, good day, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay. Okay. Just ask if are you the porter?
Yeah.
Okay, so the students can come and see you. Yeah. Some of them want to collect their documents. The floor don't show face for this corner. Oh. All these staff residents opposite the boys hostel main campus. There's water already at this corner. I think, let me zoom it. There's water there already. Okay, this area is also dry. This is a Faculty of Education Binsop Link Road. This area is dry. This is the water canal, and as you can see, it's not flowing, it is blocked, so flow is very bad.
It's the road to Binsop. You can see Binsop by your right, so let's go and take a quick view of the water level there. Now as you can see, we are at Binsop, so let's go and take a quick view. And also, if you look for it, you see people coming from their farms. We just harvested. Even if there's still flood, they still manage to go to their farm to reap the fruit of their labor.
Okay, this is Binsop. For those of you who are asking for Binsop, how far with Binsop? Binsop is still the entrance is okay. I think the Binsop entrance is okay, but let's look at this area. This area is already flooded, so we are going through this area to see how far. For those of you who lives in this compound, see how far your compound is. Hold on. Different, so that if you fall, my phone will go fall. Oh boy, this side is bad though. This side is very, very bad. So we are going to the final lodge, the last lodge in this road. We are going to check for someone's documents. The place, look at, for people who are living in this lodge in Binsop, look at where the water is. So look at it. This is knee level and we are still going. This is the beginning. For those of you who are aware that we are doing, for those of you who are watching this video rather, please take notes. If you see anybody beat us online that we came to break somebody's house and steal, please, is a student that sent us to come and carry our document. We have to carry them out. We have to break the door and access the document. So please take note. If you see say that they beat us for Facebook, I beg, not say we be criminals. Okay, look at it. This is already. Is this thigh or ass level? Is this waist or thigh or ass level? Which one are we going to take? But this one is really bad though. Really bad. Wow. This is Binsop. Binsop everywhere. This is waist level already. Okay. I'm with you. Yes, this is lodge. I'm very familiar with this lodge.
Now we are in the lodge. Now you can see the water level here.
Okay, find the stair. Okay, for those of you who are in this lodge, please take note. I don't know the name of this lodge, but we are looking for one of the occupants here who sent us to come and get stuff. As you can see, there's already water inside the lodges. It's already below floor area, so please take note. Please, for the avoidance of wahala, if you are the caretaker of this compound, please take note that the occupants in room A8 sent us to come and carry our documents. So please, to avoid issues, please, we are notifying you now. Please, thank you. So this is the situation in Amassoma. As you can see, a student from NDU who traveled out because of the strike, ASU strike since since February 14th, called us yesterday that we have to go and rescue our documents. And as you can see now, this is a victorious rescue mission that we are just coming from. Unfortunately, the documents are already wet, but we want to go and see how we can rescue some of them, dry some of them. This is a rescue effort we are just coming from. This is Niger Delta University, precisely Beans Hub. If you have not been to Beans Hub as an NDU student, I don't think, man, forget it. You are not an NDU student. This is Beans Hub. And this is the last lodge in Beans Hub, as you can see. All right, who is calling my line? All right, as you can see, this is Beans Hub, and man, this is a great mission. We've just recovered documents. It's just like going to the moon for the first time. The whole place was watered. The water got to our waist, as you can see. You know, yesterday they killed snake in Yenagua, and I was like, wow, this kind of water, if snake can't tie your waist, how you want to run?
Sorry,
Oh, we are seeing